I sentence you to a lifetime of eating tasteless, boring food.
There are more Australians than ever before being diagnosed with celiac disease.
This is my worst nightmare.
What? No pasta?
Goodbye, croissants.
And for a long time, the perception has been that gluten-free food tastes no better than cardboard. Ugh, yuck. But Australia's Wholegreen Bakery has been making delicious gluten-free food for over a decade.
Wholegreen Bakery is the first gluten-free bakery in New South Wales that's 100% gluten-free.
So in 2024, in partnership with Celiac Australia, we decided to dispel this damaging misconception once and for all.
And so with that in mind, I want to make people eat their own words.
By creating a cake that looks like cardboard but tastes like cake. The cardboard cake. Making the cake required months of R&D involving design, engineering and a lot of tasting. We launched the cake during Australia's Celiac Awareness Week, earning the attention of celiacs and non-celiacs alike.
I've just received this in the post from Wholegreen Bakery.
Look at that. It actually looks like cardboard.
And the fact that it looks like cardboard but probably doesn't taste like it, genius.
นี่คือแคมเปญจากแบรนด์เบเกอรี่อย่าง Wholegreen ที่มารับภารกิจของจักรวาล
I'm gonna taste it. Actually, not bad. It doesn't taste like cardboard.
Making gluten-free food skeptics eat their words. And leaving Australians in no doubt that you could be celiac and enjoy your food.
I scored this a 10.
The cardboard cake, bon appétit.